Well, today I have a special treat. I am going to be testing out Rug Doctor. Yeah, this is something that I've been wanting to try for months. We're going to try out this Oxy Power Stain Remover. And I'll let you into a little secret. We've got a huge stain hidden at the back of the sofa. And I'll tell you now, it's been there for about 8 months. It's not wine, it's Ribena, and it's bright red. And I'm hoping this Oxy Power Stain Remover will break the dye bonds and remove the stain from difficult food and spills. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Oxy Power Stain Remover. First of all, you turn the notch. Oh my gosh, look at this! The stain is gone! What the heck? And I didn't think I could get that out. Wow! Wow! Oxy Power Stain Remover. That really does work. In one go. I didn't even have to wait 5 minutes. I didn't even have to use the machine. Oh my goodness. This is going to be life changing. Oh, I want to clean everything now. There's a Rug Doctor Odor Remover. Brilliant for carpets, cushions, upholstery, fabric. We're going to try it on here. I'm going to shake it up. I'm going to turn the nozzle round and spray. It then says to give it a good clean. And I've done that. Ta-da! Look at that. All gone. Oh look, and here is one of our little Bichons now. Casper. He's one of the culprits. And yes, Casper, this is for you. Yes, odor remover. No, urine eliminator, Casper. Urine eliminator for pets like you. Yes. Yes, tell me about it. You are adorable, but sometimes we have accidents, don't we? We've been given a Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner. This is a review and sponsored post, and we will be giving it a good test in our lounge to see how it goes. Let's give it a whirl. Look at the dark, dirty water in that. Oh my gosh, that is disgusting. Ugh. So, we have just cleaned the lounge and check this out. Look how dirty that water is. It is black, which, you know, you can't even see that the carpet's cleaner. It looks fluffier and nice, but that is the evidence right there. It's brilliant. We've got nice, clean carpets. Okay, so we're going to be trying these products out on the stairs. Now, with my illness, I've not had time to clean the stairs in a long time, and we've got a lot of stains. I'm going to show you the stains, then show you what happens when we clean it. Test it out, see if it works. Okay. We've tested all the products out. They've all worked pretty good. I'm really impressed. I cannot believe how clean the sofa arms look. They're just amazing. Behind the sofa, the Ribena stain. That, I didn't think I could get that out. Not when it was like from the Stone Age. But you know, used products and what happened? We got it out first try. I've been sharing my honest opinions and I really do think It's a great investment, it's worthwhile, and this is definitely something we're going to be using probably for the rest of our lives. Okay, catch you later, and I hope you enjoyed the Inspiration Edit review of Rug Doctor. Bye!